Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add lens flare in SnapSeed. SnapSeed does not have a dedicated lens flare effect. There isn't a direct way to add realistic lens flare. However, you can achieve a similar effect by combining a few tools. First of all, go ahead and launch open SnapSeed and then open up the image you want to edit. Once you pick an image you'd like to edit, click on the Tools option at the bottom. Select Curves from the options at the top. Use your finger carefully to pull upwards on the curve in the area where you want to center of the lens flare to appear. This creates a brighter area to stimulate the light source. Now once you do that, save this effect and go back to Tools. Use the Brush tool and under Brush tool, choose Exposure and pick the area and give a few strokes in the image with the help of the brush tool. You can also use the arrow at the bottom to choose the exposure intensity. Now after you choose your brush, carefully paint streaks outward from the brightened area. Right after you do that, it will create the illusion of light rays. Go ahead and explore with the buttons and the images as long as you like until you reach the desired effect. You can also go ahead and use double exposure with overlay in order to create lens flare on SnapSeed. Open up your photo and then tap on the Tools option at the bottom and select Double Exposure at the bottom as well. Once you choose Double Exposure, go ahead and find a pre-made lens flare image online or use another editing app to create a simple white light burst. Go ahead and tap on the image icon at the bottom left and then select your lens flare image. Once you select it, go to the opacity option at the bottom and increase or decrease your lens flare image's visibility. You can also adjust or rotate your lens flare image and place it on your desired location, and that way you can easily add lens flare effect in SnapSeed. You can also use the blur tool to refine your lens flare effect with the help of a brush. But this one seems to be the most easiest way to me. After you are happy with your result, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right and you will be able to add lens flare on one of your images using SnapSeed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.